Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm happy to be back with a makeup look for you guys. I chose blue this time. I just wanted to stay out of my pinks and my oranges and my yellows. So I did something blue for you guys. This is how it looks. It's a bit different than what I do. It's a low cut crease, but I kind of do it a bit differently, which I really like. So if you guys want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, I was really excited to create this look. So we're going to start with tape. You guys know I love a sharp edge on my eyeshadow looks. So that's what we're going to start with. And we're taking the James Charles palette for this tutorial. I'm taking my big fluffy blending brush. I'm going to take the color Code James. I'm just going to put it in my crease. So this is going to serve as our transition color. So you just want to make sure you blend it in your crease really well. And I'm sorry if my voice is a bit raspy. I'm just really tired lately, but I really wanted to do the voiceover today, so that's what we're doing. So next, I'm going to take the color 10% off. I just wanted something a bit more warm, so that's why I'm using this color on top of the shadow we put previously. Yeah, so I'm just going to put it all over. I'm going to blend it again and just blend it in your crease like I'm doing right now. So next I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm taking the Shadow Playground. I'm going to put it in my crease again on top of the brown color. Honestly, the blending brush wasn't working really well, so I took a more like a pencil brush. I was packing on the shadow better. So as you can see, the blue is more vibrant right now. So I'm just going to pack it on my crease. And then after, I'm going to take my small blending brush and just blend the outer edges of the shadow. I'm just going to work at one eye at a time because honestly, that blue shadow was so hard to work with. So hard to work with. I don't know why. Every time I was blending it, the shadow would just disappear. So I had to go back and forth between blending and packing on the blue. So it was really vibrant. So next, what I'm going to do is cut my crease. At first I was cutting my crease on top of the blue, but I had to like take off a little bit of the blue first, and then now I'm cutting my crease with the concealer just so it didn't turn green, so it's more true to color. So that's why I proceeded that way. It's just easier. Really take your time, and what you're gonna do is take like a dual eyeliner all the way to the tape with that concealer, because we're gonna put that really light blue shade on top to give us that effect. So here I'm taking like a smudge brush. I love that brush because it really packs on the color really well. So I'm going to take the shadow Hello, and I'm just going to pack it on top of my concealer wherever we cut the crease. So all the way from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner into my wing liner. I was going back and forth with my fingers because I don't know, with the brush it wasn't packing on really well. I was losing a lot of the pigment with the brush. As you can see here, you guys gonna see my face. I'm gonna get really frustrated because that blue wasn't working. So I had to go back and forth again with my pencil brush to pack on the blue and my blending brush. And yeah, so here I'm just doing a black eyeliner, and you want to leave a little bit of that shadow Hello on top so you guys can see like the contrast between the black liner and the light blue shadow. So here I'm done, so I'm just going to take off the tape, and I did the other eye out of frame because it took me a while because that blue shadow just wasn't working. So here I go back with my angle brush and I take the Shadow Playground. I'm just going to do my lower lash line. Honestly, I wish I did it more, like I packed it on a little bit more so it really showed, but this is all I ended up with. Maybe I was just getting frustrated, I don't know. And I just blended the lower lash line. Here I'm just putting a bit of mascara on the top and bottom lashes. And next I'm just putting a bit of highlight. This is my Master Chrome by Maybelline. You guys can use whatever highlight you have on hand, it's fine. I wasn't going for a really blinding highlight that day. I just wanted the blue eyes to really stick out. So you guys are gonna see like it's not really, you can barely see my highlight honestly. And here I have my Covergirl highlight. This one is really nice. I'm gonna talk more about it in another upcoming video. Yeah, so it's like a trio highlight. I use the middle shade to put on top, and it blends super well. It's a bit powdery, honestly, but it blends so well. Maybe that's why it's so powdery, I don't know, but it works really well. Here I'm just doing my brown liner like I always do, so I'm just gonna do a nude lip for this look, and I'm using Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D liquid lipstick. And here I have my NYX Butter, the soft matte lip cream in Abu Dhabi. And here I'm just putting on some false lashes to complete the look, and that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so that's it. This is the makeup look. This is how I did it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like it. It was different for me working with blues. I was getting a bit frustrated in the video because I don't know, the blue in my crease wasn't coming out the way I wanted it, and I felt like every time I was like packing it on, if I were to blend it, it would just disappear. And I don't know, that shade didn't work well, but I made it work. But it took me a long time, honestly. It took me a while to make it work the way it works. So just keep that in mind if you guys want to recreate this look with the same palette. So I just want to know what colors you guys want to see next. So let me know down in the comments. Just tell me a color or color combo you guys want to see together, me trying out. If you guys have any ideas, I'll try to like do them for you guys. I'm really open to whatever colors you guys have in mind. Yeah, so thank you to everybody who likes, comments, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.